I know. It's crazy. It's so big.
That's what she said.
Don't knock my soda over. I'm fine. Get over here. He's fine.
Well, dog.
Ah, there you are, you crotchety old man.
Yeah, what's up, Pops? How you doing?
You do here. Goddamn birthday.
I know.
All right, man. We love you like a motherfucker. You're my brother. And when I picked your fucking bike up, my heart was real great. So, with the help of me and 4 or 5 of my buddies, this is your rebuilt, badass, world-renowned, country-known motherfucking motorcycle. Your boat.
Hell yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Look at that bad bitch right
Get
there.
over here. You want the American honey now or later?
You sneaking behind me?
Here. So, I'm going to give you a little
Fucking
bit of
good.
a rundown on this. Everybody helped out this, so it didn't cost you a fucking penny. It's all taken care of. Alright? I found a new front end that matched yours. It was all chrome though, because your other one was janky as fuck, no offense. The only thing that I changed on here are safety issues were your brake rotors, because they were both cracked. But I kept everything, so everything off your bike is at my house. But this is all the new shit. It runs, it dries, it's primed, it's ready for the road. So, I hope you enjoy it.
And we tried so fucking hard to get you here today. Oh my god.
Hey, your heart got to get out of the house. But you always told me you liked the teal. And when Ryan seen pictures of it, and he's like, dude, I can put some cool flames on this motherfucker. And he blew my mind with this paint job.
It looks good, Dad.
So with everything you had going on, and I tried to get Jacob here, but actually tonight he got called into going out of
State
town.
of the Capital.
State of the Capital shit. So Jacob couldn't be here. But
Oh, hey, it runs too.
yeah,
Like
it runs good.
100%.
It runs good, brother. Dude, I could not do it. I could not fix it for you, man. You were so fucking mad when we picked that thing up.
Fire up.
Yeah, see if it starts. Fuck.
Yeah,
Yeah.
get on it. It's saying it's a hard thing to maneuver around when you don't know how to run it.
It has not been test ridden because I couldn't move it around the shop and keep her up.
So now when you out and ride it, man, it's fucking straight. So that's all I can do, man. I'm telling you.
I don't know what to say.
Sit
Start
on
it.
And start it. Everybody in here wants to hear it fire up. It's been, what, 3+ years since that thing ran?
About that.
Your exhaust is solid now. Grab your exhaust and try to move it.
I mean, it's solider than it was.
You just like my hose pipe.
We polished them. We polished them.
Yeah, they even polished the hose clamp.
All I can say is there was a lot of things wrong with this thing, man, and I wanted it right because, man, this is the most iconic motorcycle in the United States.
You know this thing. I've been roadside fixing it for fucking years. Side of the road, Home Depot, getting parts, fixing this thing. I even used a dime for the starter. The shaft wore out, so I put a dime in there.
Yeah, you had some really interesting rigging going on.
I'm really
Oh,
going to be pissed
a
at the
couple
batteries
of things that we did do is I found your original foot pegs.
Yeah.
Chopper Dan had these, he was getting these. So we re-milled your piece that we made.
Hydraulic clutch too.
Yep, everything. It's ready, dude. Now this summer we can ride. Shelly, this was hard to keep from you too, because you had so much going on, and I was like, fuck.
That was like the last. We were like, we gotta get Shelly involved.
I had to
Well,
tell
I
you
was
this,
no
man.
help
I
because
was making up stories today.
he
Hey,
He's admitting it finally.
he goes to
I
the
didn't
other
want
room.
to go. So I'm like,
I gotta go
I
upstairs to
can't
the closet.
not go to dinner
call
and
you
then go
guys.
meet up with you guys.
Yep.
Start it.
Yeah, fire it up, man. Let's see if it'll go.
God damn, I'm kind of scared.
Yeah.
There's no front brakes.
Yeah, we have not bled the front brakes yet. I didn't figure it was going home tonight. Well, I mean, I guess it could.
New switches?
And they're all the same, right?
New switches.
Yeah.
Do you even remember how?
Gas on? That's the same petcock, right?
Yep.
Come fire up. So this is the easiest fucking bike I think I've ever started.
Yeah, rumble, baby.
Set out of fuel.
Fucking, yeah, let's probably better check that.
Now we just played a trick on you.
I hear something. I'm glad you didn't change my dashboard. I like it when it's the corner.
Yep. Oh, maybe that's the wrong. Maybe we did the wrong.
Fuck, I don't know.
That's the light.
Fucking turn them all in.
Turn all the bitches on.